I've never seen it rain. I've never seen the lightning strike through the air like this ever in my life. I'm 47 years old. The whole sky is lit up. It's raining. It's crazy. It's scary. And my wife and daughter are on the south side, and I don't want them to come home. I want them to stay put. Oh my goodness. And earlier I could see the sky lighting up, coming. It was coming. It was just lighting up from afar, and there was no noise, but it was just lighting up the sky. And now it's, I don't know, I think maybe it's gone past now. It's still pretty wicked out here. It's scary. Wow. It really puts things into perspective. We are, as human beings, we have very little choice. Oh, wow, in what's going on around us. That was intense. I hope I got that on the video. And the wind's not real strong. Oh my God, but it's just, wow. The lightning it's a show. It is a show out here.